Kia ora, ko Sharon Holt tōku ingoa. I hope you're still enjoying my Patreon site and getting a lot of use out of all the many videos that I've done over the years and put here. You can, if you're finding it hard to find things, just go to posts and tags and look under the categories and let me know if you've got something you particularly want me to do. That's all good. Today I thought that I would look at how to say don't. I don't really like being too negative, but sometimes we need to say, particularly to children or perhaps another adult, don't do something. So the main one at the beginning covers everything pretty much, is kaua, which means don't. Kaua e pēnā. So after don't we say e usually, kaua e pēnā, and that just means don't do that. Kaua e pēnā. And it's the tone of voice as well. Kaua e pēnā, don't do that. Then these are some examples, but you could use a lot of other things as well. Kaua e māngere, which is in our mahi tahi book about don't be lazy. Kaua e māngere. Kaua e māngere. Kaua e oma, you probably know what that one is, don't run. Kaua e kōrero. Kaua e kōrero. So there might be a time when you need people to be quiet, and another way to say that is to say kaua e kōrero, don't talk. Kaua e whawhai. So whawhai is about fighting, so this means don't fight. Kaua e whawhai. So hopefully some of those will be phrases that you can add to your kōrero in appropriate times. You're not always wanting to be negative, I'm sure, like me, but let's use them when we do need to say don't do something. And that will be a really good way to be able to use more te reo Māori in the whānau and in the classroom. Ka kite.